What's your name?
My name is Ayman Shiful Mahin. You can call me Mahin.
Okay, nice name. Please, you tell me how to take permission to enter the classroom.
Sir, may I come in, sir?
May I come in, sir?
May I come in, sir?
Okay, that's awesome. Now you have to tell me, please. Our kitchen is out of our classroom and our water is also there. So, if you want to drink water, you have to go there. Then, how to take permission for drinking water?
May I go for drinking water?
That's great. Awesome. Please. Now you have to tell me how to take permission to sit.
May I sit, sir?
Awesome. Please. Now, how to take permission to open the door.
May I open the door, sir?
That's awesome. Okay. Then, how to take permission to open the window.
May I open the window, sir?
That's awesome. Now, please then tell me how to take permission to sit beside anyone.
May I sit anyone?
No, may I sit beside you?
May I sit beside you?
Again, please, how to take permission to sit beside? Suppose you want to sit beside anyone. তুমি ধরো কারো পাশে বসতে চাচ্ছ, কেমন? আমরা পাশে বলি হচ্ছে beside, কি বলি?
Beside.
So, you want to sit beside anyone, then how to take permission to sit beside anyone?
May I
sit?
beside?
No, may
sit?
I sit?
May I sit beside you?
That's awesome, please. Then you have to tell me how to take permission to open the book.
May I open the book, sir?
Yes, perfect. How to take permission to open the sheet?
May I open the sheet, sir?
Good. How to take permission to open the television?
May I open the television, sir?
Perfect. How to take permission to open the laptop?
May I open the laptop, sir?
Perfect. Now you have to tell me how to take permission to sing.
May I sing, sir?
Sure, you can sing. এখন আমাদের গান শোনাবে কে? আমাদের মাহিন স্টার্ট করবে প্লিজ। তুমি তো পারমিশন নিয়েছো এখন গান করার জন্য, একটা গান শোনাও প্লিজ। পারো না? আমি তো পারি। Okay, thank you, Mr. McLaughlin. Very nice. He has done well. Perfect.